This is the Gamma Librarian foam ball for pickleball. For comparison, this is the popular Franklin X-40 outdoor ball weighing in at 0.9 ounces, and this is the Gamma Librarian coming in at 0.85 ounces. They're similar in weight, size, and bounce, with two key differences. The Gamma Librarian costs roughly double compared to the X-40 and is much quieter, which makes it great for backyard courts and indoor training sessions. Here's a quick audio test comparing the two, and affiliate links for these balls are in the description. Thanks for watching.